Hey guys, Dan here from DansTube.TV, and today I'm thoroughly testing the active track mode in the Mavic Pro. This is an intelligent flight mode that is automated and extremely enjoyable to use. When you start the active track mode, you need to ensure that you are high enough off the ground. It will prompt you at a certain point, and then you know that you can use the active track mode. Now, when you enable it, you will have three different options. After you have drawn your box around the subject, you will have the option to trace, which follows the subject normally from behind but adapts to its movements when turning. This mode has worked really well for me, and overall I've been really impressed. There have been times when the subject has actually disappeared off the screen, but it will continue to turn and it will automatically track the subject and figure out where the trajectory of the subject is going. For example, if a boat zooms past you and you miss it, it will actually track it, tilt the camera up, or move it in however many ways it needs to actually get the shot, and that blew my mind. That's super impressive. You then have the profile mode, so it keeps a side view profile of the subject as it moves. This mode looks really awesome and works really well as well. And you also have the option to pan around the subject with the little toggle down the bottom when you do enable these modes. And then with Spotlight, the final mode, the drone remains fixed in a position and it tracks the subject through camera angle changes. Now these three modes all offer versatility to your drone and can create some amazing shots, guys. There are a few pitfalls when it comes to using the active track. One of the things is it has a capped out speed, so it can only go at 33 miles per hour or 55 kilometers per hour, so fast vehicles may get ahead of the drone. The drone also needs to be able to keep the subject in sight, so if you do move around the corner too fast, it will lose it. In some modes, like I said before, I've run away from the actual subject track or the object has moved away, and it will intuitively track the subject even if it gets off the screen itself, so it normally does work, but I'm guessing fast movements it will kind of drop off at times. Overall, from my tests, I have been extremely pleased with the overall experience with Active Track. It is an invaluable tool to any videographer or photographer, I guess. This is a really easy way to track subjects. It's all intuitive and it just shows you how well the software and the hardware communicate. This was a pleasure to test out, and I do have some shots of kayaks and boats, and I also did track a pole, oddly enough, but it did an amazing job, and I just wanted to showcase this to you guys. This feature alone is amazing, and the fact that this just works perfectly well with my Mavic has created some amazing shots and some great moments for me as a pilot. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you've had any bad or good experiences with the active track mode. Thank you so much for watching though. Make sure to have a splendiferous day, and peace out.